Okay, we'll start quickly. I'll tell you what's going to come up. So, nobody has joined. Okay, quickly to start. Yesterday we discussed about certain AI tools we have discussed. So, we'll leave the AI tools for that today, and we'll focus more on the our original Kinter applications and all. So far, I can tell you around 40, 45 or 46 different Kinter applications through podcast we have already uploaded, and almost every day one we have uploaded, and we are continuing also. But for the timing, we will give rest to our AI tools, and I myself I will be coming online and interacting with you. So whatever about the applications we develop, and what we are going to come up in the next some 10 days or 1 week time. Friends, you must be aware that many times we store data in our local systems. So, using Excel, CSV or comma separated value or MySQL. Okay, MySQL goes little complex one. So, Excel, CSV and SQLite and all. So, how we will exchange this data between these applications? Say, I have a Excel file or I have a CSV file. So, Excel to CSV you can easily switch over easily, but how I will push the data from a Excel or CSV to SQLite, or it can be MySQL also. How I will push the data. So, that part will develop some Kinter applications shortly, so we can easily transport data from one source to the other. And in the reverse way also we can do it. Say we are connected to, we'll pick up the data from SQLite or MySQL, export the data to our Excel file page or a CSV page, so user can download. And during all this transfer process, we may have to, while pick up, we may have to use a file browser to point to a location where our files are, and at the same time we'll also, while storing the final output, and we'll point to a location where we will be saving a CSV, Excel or even SQLite page. So, all this requires a file browsing system where to identify or locate a file or to save as button. So, Kinter gives us a tool for that. So, once a Kinter tool is there, so we can use that one. So, file dialog we can browse in our local system and save it. That part will include it also. And also all this transferring data from one source to other source, it became very easy when you are using a data frame, pandas data frame. So you may ask that if I don't know pandas data frame, what I have to do? Fine, pandas data frame is a data analytics tool. It is not only for this, but for the timing just 2 lines of code we will be using. Just as it is you use it, we will be learning more that. One of the pandas library feature is to export the data from one source to other, and that makes the things damn easy. So it's a just 2 CSV, 2 Excel, read CSV, read Excel. These are 2, 3, 4 methods, whatever in one line of code, that's enough to transfer the data from one to other. So I'll request you that you just, even if you know pandas or don't know, use this, because that makes the code very simple and easy to also to understand. Then this is main focus is on our Kinter process. So in the Kinter, how we will pick up the file, how we will transfer it, and we will add little more functionality like sorting, then saving the file in different locations. So the save as dialog box. Similarly, reading the file, also open the file, and how we will read it, how to create the data frame, then save it is the different source. And in between, we'll also try to introduce some functionality. So the functionality like sorting the data, filtering the data, so we can filter it and save it in a different way. So once we sort, one I got it a one format, database frame is populated, I can sort it to get it in a mark wise or gender wise or class wise. I can sort the columns, so and the final output I can save it in another file, whatever format is required. So those things will give us an idea how we will handle the data in a Kinter application. And moreover, while displaying the data, we will be using tree views. Tree views gives are the important one, or it is rather it's a easy one to display tabular data. So that's what, and a series of tutorials we are developing for that. I will leave the that particular page where all the main index page I will leave it, so you can get all the links from there. So you can see individually sorting, filtering, tree views, SQLite, file dialog, all these concepts will understand using these small projects. Projects are also not big, say are 100 lines maximum, and many lines are commented lines for to explain the thing. Every code line is whatever is used, one comment line is there to explain you what's the purpose of it. And you can in entire sources whatever is available, you can download it, then use it in your project, modify it, and if you have any doubt, suggestion, questions, use it the comment section, post it, or you can visit the site and check for the code for yourself. Keep on modifying and keep learning. Next we will come up with some AI tools also, how we will introduce the code modification and all that also slowly we will learn. Hope you have a good learning experience with us, and I hope you will continue with us. Please like and subscribe to our channel, so you will be getting more such tips and code samples so for your future projects and for your learning purpose. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.